We'll study about chapter number 5, multiplication. So what is multiplication? Let's see it. Multiplication is also known as repeated addition. You can see here it is written multiplication is known as repeated addition. It means if we add 12 5 times, then it will become 60. And if we multiply 12 by 5, then also the answer will be 60. So instead of adding it 5 times, we will multiply it by 60 and it will become the answer. Now you can see in multiplication, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which we have to multiply is a multiplicand. The number which we multiply is the multiplier and the answer is the product. Okay. Now next come to the example. Let's see the example. Here we have to multiply 89 by 7. Now here it is written like this. First for multiply you have to write it like this. 89 should be written like this, and then below the 9 we have to write number 7 if we are multiplying it by 7. Now when you will multiply 9 by 7, the answer will be 63. But only you have to write 3 at the ones place and 6 will be carried. Now look here. Here 6 will be carried. Now multiply 8 by 7. 7 into 8 is 56. Plus 6 is equals to 62. So the answer is 623. I hope you got it right. Now next come to this multiplication by 100, 10 and 1000. So when you will multiply number by 10, there will be addition of 1 0 in it. See, if you multiply 5 by 10, then the answer what will become is 50, means addition of 1 0 is there. If you multiply by 100, means 2 0 will be added. If you multiply 5 by 100, then it will become 500. If you multiply by 1000, it will become 5000, means 3 zeros are added there. Multiply by 10,000 means 5 zeros are added, and so on. So this is the trick. Instead of multiplying it by 10, 100,000, you can solve it by using the trick. Okay, let's move to the example now. Multiplication by 10. Look here, multiplication by 10. Look in this box now. There is written 38 multiplied by 60. So instead of multiplying it by 0, we know that when we multiply with by tens digit, like if there is 1 0, you should write 0 at the ones place. So we have written 0 here in the answer, and after that multiply it by 6 only and start writing the answer from the tens place. For example, here it is written 8 into 6 is 48, 4 carry and 8. 6 to 6 3 is 18, and 18 plus 4 is equals to 22. So 2280 is the answer. I hope you all have understood. Now look at the other example, that is multiplication by 100. Okay, so if you multiply the number by 500, we know that there are 2 zeros. So first we have to write the 2 0 in the answer directly. No need to calculate it, no need to think about it. Just write 2 zeros there and then multiply by 5 from starting from the ones place. For example, 5 into 5 is equals to 225. 5 into 8 is equals to 40. Plus 2, it will become 42. 5 is a 15 plus 4 is equals to 19. I hope you all have understood it. Now let's come to the properties of multiplication. There are 4 properties of multiplication which we will study here. First it is written here, look here in this property, first number property. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. If you multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. Okay, 122 into 0 is equals to 0. 464 into 0 is equals to 0. So I think you all have understood, and I think you might have known it before. Okay, now come to the second property. The product of a number and 1 is always the number itself. If you multiply any number by 1, the answer will be that number itself. For example, if I multiply 654 by 1, then answer will be 654. If I multiply 900 by 1, the answer will be 900 itself. Okay, now let's come to the third property, that is commutative property. So what is commutative property? Look at this. We'll see. If the order of two numbers which are to be multiplied is changed, the products remain the same. Look here. Here it is written 7. Wait. Okay. Okay, let's see. 7 into 6 is equals to 6 into 7. See, 7 into 6 is equals to also 42, and 6 into 7 is equals to 42. And that is the only property that if you change the grouping or order, पहले आपने 7 लिखा then 6 लिख दिया, या आपने बाद में 6 लिखा then 7 लिख दिया, product will remain the same. Okay. Now look at the other example. This one, 300. 300 into 70 is equals to 21,000 and 70 into 300 is equal to means मैं अगर उसकी प्लेस चेंज कर रही हूँ बट आंसर मेरा सेम ही रहेगा. मैं चाहे मैं 6 को आगे लिखूँ या 7 को पीछे, या 7 को आगे या 6 को पीछे, आंसर विल रिमेन दी सेम. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. नाउ कम टू द सेकंड वन, दैट इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इसमें हम बेटा ग्रुपिंग करके देखते हैं. जैसे कि 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 8, 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 8. Here, first of all, we have to multiply 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is equals to 48. And then we have to multiply it by 7. Okay, the answer is 336. Now here, on the other side, 7 into 6 is equals to 42. 42 into 8 is equals to 336. Means, पहले मैं 7 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ और फिर उस आंसर को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ, तब भी वही आंसर आएगा. और मैं 8 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ, देन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7, देन ऑल्सो आंसर विल बी सेम. So this is the associative property. I hope you all have understood, and by the help of these properties we have to solve all these exercises. Thank you for watching it.